Good afternoon, my friends. New deposit dates have just been announced for Social Security, SSI, SSDI, RRB, and VA beneficiaries. Our lawmakers in Congress, including Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer, are now calling for $200 additional monthly stimulus checks for all senior citizens across the United States. Friends, this is huge news. Here's your fourth stimulus check update and daily news report. Please make sure to watch until the end of this video if you would like to know how you can claim this extra relief money. Also, please share this video with your friends and family if they need more reliable stimulus news. If you would like to enter next Friday's Walmart gift card giveaway, when I will be giving away 3 $75 Walmart gift cards, please listen for the key word.
To make such a difference in people's lives. Largest tax cut for working families in our lifetimes. More than 90% of families with children in Ohio and New Jersey and in Washington State and Connecticut and Georgia and Colorado, more than 90% of families with children under 18 have gotten at least a $3,000 a year tax cut. Think about that, at least a $3,000 a year tax cut. It's the most consequential thing we've done in this body to make people's hard work pay off, the most consequential thing in decades. We know what's happened in the last 20 years. Corporate profits are up, executive salaries skyrocket, yet wages have remained pretty much flat for most of these last 20 years. Parents know how expensive it is to raise kids, health care, school lunches, summer camps, diapers, clothes, especially child care. When we did this last year, think about this, March 6th, Raphael and Michael and Corey and I voted in the Senate, and the House was just days apart, March 6th on a Saturday.
So this year's cost of living adjustment for monthly Social Security checks is the largest COLA increase in nearly 40 years, at 5.9% to account for record-breaking inflation, which now hovers around 7%. Late last year, the Social Security Administration released what effect that the new COLA increase would have on monthly benefit checks. They state that the average benefit for a recipient of Social Security will increase $93 per month, from $1,565 to $1,658, beginning in January of 2022. So for married recipients and or those receiving spousal benefits, the average benefit will increase $47 per month, an increase from $794 to $841. COLA increases are tied to inflation, and the higher that inflation goes, the higher the COLA increases get. This is in order to compensate for rising prices. This is especially important for increases for seniors who are living on a fixed income and rely on Social Security benefits as their main source of income. Seniors are usually affected by the rising prices of groceries. So, my friends, I know how important it is to know when your check will be deposited this month. Well, according to Yahoo News, millions of seniors will receive their next Social Security payment worth an average of $1,657 in the next coming days. Seniors who were born between the 11th and 20th of the month will receive their payment on March 16th. And retirees born between the 20th and 31st of the month will receive their next Social Security benefit on March 23rd. But friends, I know that many of you are still anxiously waiting for Congress to increase monthly benefits even more. Well, friends, Senate Minority Leader Chuck Schumer, along with several other top Democratic senators, have rolled out a plan that would increase Social Security benefits for Americans amid this crisis. Chuck Schumer, Senators Elizabeth Warren, and Ron Wyden unveiled the plan, which would increase the monthly amount for those receiving Social Security, veterans, and supplemental security income benefits by at least $200. The senators said that the measure would help to stabilize the economy and provide seniors, veterans, and people with disabilities an additional $4,000 over the next 2 years. Chuck Schumer has told reporters immediately increasing Social Security benefits would put money in the pockets of seniors, veterans, and people with disabilities during these uncertain times. Senate Democrats are committed to quickly delivering relief to the millions of Americans bearing the weight of this public health crisis. So, my friends, this measure would also protect Social Security recipients from losing access to other assistance programs and would be covered by wealthier Americans who would pay back some of the added benefit with their taxes. In an official statement, Senator Elizabeth Warren said, "Increasing Social Security benefits would get money directly to millions of people quickly, delivering immediate relief to the Americans at heightened risk during this crisis and also boosting our economy." Social Security was created to respond to the Great Depression, and expanding it now will ensure this critical program helps us meet the challenge of the current crisis. Friends, this plan is included as part of the Senate Democrats' proposal for more stimulus during the crisis, which would be at least $750 billion. So friends, do you agree with the $200 monthly benefit boost? Please leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Friends, the keyword for this video is river. Friends, the keyword for this video is river. If you would like to enter next Friday's Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like my videos. Comment below this keyword and additional keywords from any video of mine that you watch. And please do make sure that you are also subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much, friends. Chuck Schumer and Elizabeth Warren and many other Senate Democrats also want to pass a plan that would cancel student loan payments for the duration of this crisis. And so far, the Biden administration has given several recent indications that an additional extension of the ongoing student loan pause may be in the works. Most federal student loan payment collection efforts have been suspended since March of 2020, and that relief is currently set to expire on May 1st. But last week, a top White House official indicated that a further extension of the student loan pause is under consideration. White House Press Secretary Jen Psaki told a reporter this week that the administration will continue to review and assess whether another extension of the payment pause is warranted as May 1st approaches. Well, my wonderful friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video. Thank you very, very much for joining me here today. I greatly appreciate all of you. The three winners of this past Friday's $75 Walmart gift card giveaway are Linda Davenport, James Bell, and Katrina Britty. Congratulations, my friends. Remember, friends, if any of you are interested in entering every Friday's Walmart gift card giveaway, you simply have to click and like my videos, comment below the keyword from each video that you watch, and please do make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much, friends, and have a wonderful and blessed Sunday.